Good day, everyone. My name is Brittany Ronajin Biboyles, and today I will discussing the digestive system. This system is one of the most important systems in our body because it helps us break down the food we eat into nutrients that our body needs for energy, growth, and repair. Without our digestive system, our body wouldn't be able to use the nutrients from food properly. The digestive process is divided into three key stages: ingestion, digestion, and absorption. Ingestion happens the moment food enters our mouth. Here, the teeth show the food while the saliva softens it. Saliva also contains enzymes that begins breaking down carbohydrates. This is the first step of digestion. Next is digestion, which occurs mainly in the stomach. In this stage, food is mixed with the gastric juice. This contains enzymes that acid that help break it down into a semi-liquid from called chyme. This process prepares the food for absorption. The final stage is absorption. This occurs in the small intestine where the nutrients from the digestive food are absorbed into the bloodstream. These nutrients are transported throughout the body to provide energy, support growth, and prepare damaged tissues. Aside from the stages, digestion also involves four important processes: motility, digestion, secretion, and absorption. Motility refers to the movement of food through the digestive tract. Muscles in the digestive organs contract and relax to push food along the system, and the mouth all the way to the anus. Digestion itself means breaking food into smaller molecules that the body can easily absorb. This includes both mechanical digestion and the chewing and chemical digestion, which uses enzymes and acids. Secretion is when the digestive organs release enzymes, acid, and other fluids to help in the breakdown of food. For example, saliva in the mouth and gastric juice in the stomach both help in digestion. Lastly, the absorption is when the digestive nutrients pass through the intestine walls and enter the bloodstream. From there, they are carried to every cell of the body for use. Now, let's talk about the major organs involved in digestion. This includes the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The stomach acts as a storage and mixing chamber. It breaks down food with strong acids and enzymes, turning it into a liquid mixture. The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. It's where the most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients happen. The walls of a small intestine are lined with the tiny finger-like structures called villi that increase surface area for absorption. The large intestine absorbs remaining water and minerals from the undigested food and forms solid waste, or feces, which is later removed from the body. Each of these organs has a specific role and ensures food is properly digested and that nutrients are effectively absorbed. Next, let's discuss digestive enzymes, which are special proteins that speed up chemical reaction in our body. These enzymes help break down food molecules into smaller forms that can be absorbed easily. There are three main of digestive enzymes. First is amylase. These enzymes break down carbohydrates into simple sugars. It starts working right in the mouth where saliva contains amylase. Second is protease. These enzymes break down proteins into amino acids. Fructase is produced in the stomach and the pancreas. The amino acids produced are very important because they help build and repair body tissues, muscles, and organs. Lastly is lipase. This enzyme is responsible for breaking down fats or lipids into fatty acids and glycerol. Lipase works mainly in the small intestine and helps the body absorb dietary fats, which serve as source of the stored energy. Before digestion, the food we eat is in its natural solid like rice, meat, or vegetables. After digestion, these foods are break down into very small nutrients molecules. These nutrients is carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are absorbed into the bloodstream and delivered to every cell in the body. What remains after this process is waste material which is prepared for elimination. The final part of the digestive process is waste elimination. After the nutrients have been absorbed, the leftover materials move into the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed back into the body and the remaining solid waste is performed into feces. The rectum then stores this waste until it is released from the body through the anus. This process ensures that our body stays clean internally and maintains a proper balance of water and nutrients. In conclusion, the digestive system is an amazing and complex process that allows our body to turn the food we eat into the energy and nutrients we need every day. From ingestion to digestion, absorption, and elimination. Each step has a specific purpose that keeps our body functioning efficiently. It's truly fascinating how all the organs and enzymes work together like a well coordinated machine to, to sustain our lives. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you learned something valuable about the digestive system.